Is your room still using old dim lights that waste power and don't look good? What if one simple bulb could make your space brighter, cleaner, and more modern instantly? Introducing the LED long crystal design E27 bulb, a super bright modern LED light designed for indoor spaces that need powerful and even lighting. Rated 4.7 stars, trusted by many happy buyers. With a cold, white 6500K light, this bulb gives you clear, bright illumination, perfect for living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, shops, and offices. One bulb can light up 30 square meters or more with ease. Choose the power that fits your space, 15W, 18W, or 24W. The long crystal-style design spreads light evenly, making your room look brighter and more stylish. No dark corners, no harsh shadows, no tools, no electrician needed. It uses a standard E27 base, so you just screw it in like a normal bulb and you're done. Perfect for quick upgrades at home. This LED bulb is eye-safe with RG0 blue light protection made from durable PC material and designed to be dust-proof, anti-fog, and anti-mosquito. Plus, it comes with 2 years quality assurance for peace of mind. Thanks to its wide voltage design, it works in almost any country. It's energy efficient, long-lasting, and helps reduce electricity costs over time. Upgrade your lighting today and enjoy a brighter, cleaner, and more modern space. Don't wait, stocks are limited. Click the URL link in the description below and order now.